Stop scrolling. What if I told you bees sometimes fill the wrong cells on purpose? Right now in Sydney, spring nectar flow is peaking, and our bees are working overtime. Look closely inside a hive. You might spot bees pouring fresh nectar into the larger domed drone cells usually reserved for male bees. At first glance, this looks like a mistake. But here's the twist. It's a secret storage strategy. When the main honeycomb fills up faster than the bees can cap it, they use whatever space they can find, including drone cells, to stash surplus nectar. This keeps foragers working non-stop while conditions are ideal. Why does this matter? If bees can't store every drop, precious nectar gets wasted and the colony misses out on a bumper honey harvest. But using drone cells isn't risk-free. If the queen suddenly needs to lay more drones, she'll find her nursery full of sticky nectar instead. This balancing act is a real-time decision shaped by Sydney's explosive spring blooms. Next time you check a hive and see drone cells glistening with nectar, don't worry, it's just smart, adaptive beekeeping at work. This is what we are seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.